Maybe you should ask AI if there's a way to shrink your forehead.
It's Corky time. Welcome back
By
to
the way,
Retard
Jessica,
Logic.
mom is a real bitch. Nothing but polite. She lashes
And
out.
menus, let me go.
I mean, I know there's a lot of stress having a retarded child, but fuck. You don't have to take it out on me, Diane. Totally unnecessary.
Uncalled for.
I
Rude.
was calling up in my, random Michael X managing character, and you totally fucked it up. But in a way, I owe you an assist because you called fat ass immediately down out of the attic. She went running like the ice cream truck was outside. So I can't fault you completely. I won't give myself too much credit either. I mean, I'm in a battle of wits against a retarded woman and another woman who created a retarded woman. So the bar was low, but it's like an exhibition, you know what I mean? You just got to keep your senses and your skills sharpened. And that's how you win championships, Corky. That's why you're not Employee of the Month. That's why you couldn't stick to your diet. That's why you're about to get kicked off government assistance. And just remember, it only happened because of your big mouth and that you need to inject yourself into situations that have nothing to do with you. You're a rat, you're a bitch, you're a phony retard. You exploit handicapped people and the sympathy of normal folks.
The boss.
You gave Mad Dog the biggest set of blue
Betrayer's
balls
Husk.
ever.
Got 99 of those.
You made him drive like 2,000 miles and you stiffed him. You treated him like a jerk.
She did. That was uncalled for, Jessica. Mad Dog's a good shit.
Corky, this is just the beginning, brother.
Let's see who I have banned in my show.
Okay.
Drag King, Dairy Queen, Joe Dumars 4. The fake Tinky Winky.
Which
Cal
fake Tinky Winky?
Worthington,
Cal Worthington, dude. Shout out to Cal.
How can you fake a
Lemon
fake?
Pound Cake. A bunch of guests. Weebeam Sponheim.
I bet Jessica would love some lemon pound cake. Like 4 of them. The whole cake.
I'm going to keep that person banned because they keep mentioning my name in their cast and I don't even go after them.
Shrek. No, that's bullshit.
Blue
You're a liar.
Balloon.
You're going after everybody, Corky.
Blue Balloon.
You got all the evidence, brother.
Stoma Sam.
That's my old name. Does that still work?
The Wig Test _ Anthony. Skin Beeble. Hillary Clintonis. All those names are, you guessed it, Rodney. Truck Stop Twink.
All of them.
Not mine.
Faraday Fanatic.
Yep, that's me.
Cross Platform.
Yep.
Get Sober Today.
No.
Soft Moderation.
Me.
Sonolac 2.
Not me.
Right in Dave.
That's me.
Trans Woman. Deep Alum Blues.
Neither of those are
Number
mine.
7.
No.
Midnight Rose.
No.
Jessica's Forehead.
Mine.
Trump is Your Daddy.
Not mine.
10 Head.
That's
Steely
me.
Head. Eddie 2.
That's me. Go on.
I missed you too, Mr. Dork. Yeah, my ban list is going up pretty quick.
That's smart when you have like 5 people watching your show. You should ban people from it.
Yes, maybe I can get some purples in this joint.
What?
A little weak in this one.
Jessica really needs to get off drugs, man.
She in
Joints,
T4
coke.
because this looks like it's T4.
Troublemaker, dude. Just making trouble for her own body. It's decaying as we speak. Jessica, you're a young lady. You shouldn't weigh 400 pounds. It's ridiculous. Have some respect for yourself, for Christ's sake.
How about we gamble?
I know God just keeps throwing you gut shot after gut shot. But hang in there, brother. You're a winner. Things are going to change. I can feel it.